Nueva Ecija, a journey through history, places, and prosperity. Mabuhay! Good day everyone! My name is 𝘽𝙮𝙪𝙚𝙼𝙚 and I'll be your guide for today's virtual tour at the province of Nueva Ecija. Whether you are planning to visit or just curious about this fascinating province, I'm here to share everything you need to know. From its rich history to its must-see destinations, Nueva Ecija promises to be a journey worth exploring. Let's start with where we are. Nueva Ecija is located in central Luzon, right in the heart of the Philippines. It's bounded by Pangasinan to the north, Tarlac to the west, Bulacan to the south, and Aurora and Nueva Vizcaya to the east. Strategically situated, it's an ideal stop for travelers exploring Luzon. Getting here is easy. From Metro Manila, you can drive to Nueva Ecija in just 2 to 3 hours via North Luzon Expressway NLEX and Subic-Clark-Tarlac Expressway SETEX. If you are coming by public transport, several buses offer routes to cities like Cabanatuan, Gapan, and San Jose City daily. Whether you prefer driving or taking a bus, Nueva Ecija is accessible and worth the trip. The province climate and population. Nueva Ecija has a tropical climate, experiencing a dry season from November to April and a wet season from May to October. The lush rice fields you'll see here thrive thanks to this climate, making the province the rice granary of the Philippines. It is home to over 2.3 million people. Nueva Ecija is a blend of urban centers and rural communities. With a warm and welcoming vibe, you'll feel wherever you go. The province's primary industry is agriculture, with rice farming as its backbone. In fact, Nueva Ecija supplies a significant portion of nation's rice. But that's not all. It's also known for its poultry and livestock, particularly dairy production. The growing agribusiness and manufacturing sectors contribute to its thriving economy. Now let's delve into the province industry. Nueva Ecija's name comes from the Spanish town of Ecija in Seville, Spain. Established in 1705, it was initially part of Pampanga but later expanded to include towns from Bulacan and Pangasinan. It officially became a province in 1848. The province played a critical role during the Philippine Revolution and World War II. Cabanatuan, its capital at the time, was the site of the famous raid at Cabanatuan, where American and Filipino soldiers rescued prisoners of war. These landmarks remind us of Nueva Ecija's important place in Philippine history. Our journey begins with Nueva Ecija's historic churches. The St. Nicholas of Tolentine Cathedral is a must visit. Built in the late 19th century, this church showcases Spanish-era architecture and has been a witness to key historical events. Next, we will visit the Shrine of the Holy Cross in Aliaga, a popular pilgrimage site during Holy Week. Its serene surrounding make it a perfect spot for quiet reflection. Switching on the province's natural wonders, Minalungaw National Park is a must-see. Located in General Tino, this park features a breathtaking emerald green river, towering limestone formations, and plenty of outdoor activities like hiking, swimming, and bamboo rafting. Another hidden gem in the province is Aloha Falls, located in Gabaldon. The refreshing waterfalls and lush forest make it an ideal destination for adventure seekers. No visit, of course, to Nueva Ecija is complete without exploring its rice fields. Stop by local farms to see how rice is planted, harvested, and processed. It's a great way to appreciate why the province is called the rice granary of the Philippines. Stay at one of the province's farm resorts for a taste of rural life. Enjoy fresh farm-to-table meals and experience the simplicity of countryside living. And of course, Nueva Ecija is also home to unique festivals like the Taong Putik Festival in Aliaga, where devotees cover themselves in mud and leaves as a form of penance and thanksgiving to Saint John the Baptist. And of course, don't miss the food, from pancit chicharon to batutay, and even the one-of-a-kind tilapia ice cream. Nueva Ecija's culinary scene is a feast for the senses. Nueva Ecija is a province that beautifully weaves history, faith, natural wonders, and culinary delights into a tapestry of unforgettable experiences. Whether you're here for the rich culture, the delicious food, or the serene landscapes, Nueva Ecija welcomes you with open arms. See you soon, and thank you for joining me on this virtual tour. This is Nueva Ecija, where every journey is a story waiting to be told. Salamat po!